Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, September 19th. As you can see, I'm back in Manhattan, back to our favorite pond. I don't see any turtles today, but look at this beautiful bird. She stayed very quietly here. I don't know, because I spilled my coffee all over my bag and was tumbling around, and she just stayed very quietly. So hopefully she stays all the way through. Anyway, we continue with meditative essays from the Book of Awakening. Oh my God, I see a turtle like swimming right next to the bird. I don't know if you can see it, but let me continue. Today's essay is titled The Red Kingdom. Mark Nepo prefaces it with a quote from Jean Knutson Hoffman. I've never felt a pain that didn't bear a blessing. I know this to be true. From broken marriages to losing a rib to cancer, to being laid off after 18 years of teaching, there has always been a gift waiting once the ache and fear and grief have settled. To be clear, it's not the disease or injustice that is a blessing. Though I'm grateful for how my life has forever changed by experiencing cancer, I would not wish cancer on anyone. But as cries are absorbed into silence, as the sun always rises just when the night seems like it will never end, as the sky holds everything flying and everything falling, there is something indestructible at the center of each of us, though the pain of being transformed and rearranged while still alive often feels unbearable. Even as a boy, I cut my finger open with an X-Acto knife. I still carry the scar, and after crying and stumping around, I marvel to see the red kingdom within for the very first time. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness in your whole being, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to recall a time when you were healing from either a physical or emotional injury. Breathe deeply and ask yourself if, once the pain subsided, you were able to re-experience the world freshly. How would you describe all this experience to a loved one? How would you explain what this injury cost you and what this injury opened you to? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember the words of Jean Nelson Hoffman. I've never felt a pain that didn't bear a blessing. And reflect on other injuries, physical or emotional, that brought blessings into your life, along with the pain. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.